So 2/3 of a cup, that equals 160 milliliters. That's because if you look at 1 cup, that equals 240 milliliters. And that's the number you want to remember. So if we look at 1/3 of a cup here, there are 3/3 cups in 1 cup, so we just divide this by 3. 1/3 of a cup, that equals 80 milliliters. And so you can see if we have 2/3, it's just twice that. That's where we get that 160 milliliters from for 2/3 of a cup. So in real life, a cup, it's actually just a little bit less than 240 here, but recipes round to 240 just to keep things simple. And this is for US cups. Other countries use slightly different cup sizes, so the exact number depends on where you got the recipe from sometimes. But for US cups, 2/3 of a cup, that equals the 160 milliliters. And quick tip, you can get cups with milliliters printed right on the side so you don't have to convert every time.